Welcome to the Gabe and Ellie Toy Show! We're gonna play with Poopsie slime!
Let's see. Here, hold on.
I could open this box. Can you help me?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, there we go. Ellie, pull that off.
Thank you. I'll do it. You help me.
Oh, okay, you gotta turn it. Oh, like, whoop!
See? This is a giant bag! Whoa, what is that? Constructions? Ooh, like, what is that? Open it.
Shows you the different ones that you can find.
Oh, guys.
Yep.
Let's
All right.
open them up.
We'll put together Gabe's first, and then we'll go to Ellie and put hers together, okay? What should we open up first?
This one. Then that's the Poopsie. You got paper in your mouth. Oh, that's it. Open these. Those are the blind bags. We didn't open them.
What is it?
I don't know. Look!
Oh, what is it?
Oh, there's a bottle?
Can I see? Oh, Coca-Fina. Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be like a water bottle.
Yeah, Coca-Fina. Okay, that'll be on that.
Whoa, no, this one's yours.
What?
Oh.
What? No.
Oh, this one's called Finding Doo-Doo. Oh my gosh.
Finding doo-doo. I don't know what this says. Mommy, what does this say?
Coca-Fina.
This is Coca-Fina. That is a silly word.
Oh, it looks like, ooh, like maybe it's supposed to be a clownfish, but then also maybe like a creamsicle.
I think that's Nemo.
It kind of looks like Nemo. Ellie, are you comfy? Oh.
It's a cup.
It's a cup. We have a magic spoon, a surprise scent, unicorn magic, and unicorn food. Okay, so we need to measure out 2 of these little cups. These are 15 milliliters each. Next, we need to add 5 drops. Can you get it on tight? Do you need some help? Is it on tight?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How long are you gonna shake it for? You have no idea. You're just gonna stare at it. Go ahead, keep shaking.
I changed it.
You're shaking too?
I changed that bottle.
All right, after a good shake, we're gonna put it aside.
Uh-huh. And do what?
And we gotta wait 10 to 15 minutes so the slime can harden. Okay? So once it's done being shaken, shaked, we are gonna put that aside. We'll leave it right there for now. And then we will go on and create Ellie's. All right? And then we'll come back to Gabe's slime.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta unroll it because it kind of looks like toilet paper, right?
Uh-huh.
Ah. Ooh, it's like toilet paper. Ellie, let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside yours.
Here, hold on. Let mommy pop the lid off for her. See, wouldn't it be funny if we got the same exact slime?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's open it and see what's inside. Whoa, what's that?
It's big bottle.
Let's see, stinks.
Stinks? Let me see. What?
All right, what character is it?
Oh, what a cute.
Oh, he's cute. He kind of looks like, what does he look like?
A kitty cat?
A kitty cat? You think so? Yeah, he is a kitty. So this is from the Fizzy Farts collection.
So Fizzy Fart collection. Look at butter in it. Ooh, a green bottle.
A green cup.
Yeah.
So we need to open this up.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ellie, you're gonna hold on to this.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Because we're gonna have to put stuff inside.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna put 2 of these in. Ooh, that smells so good.
Let me smell it. Ooh, that smells different.
All right, ready, Ellie?
That
All right,
smells-
don't put the spoons in.
That
Okay.
smells different.
Ready? Mommy's gonna put this in. Let's count. Ooh, 1. All right, now what we need to put in there is the unicorn food.
The unicorn food?
Yeah. What color do you think it's gonna turn?
Let me see, let me see.
Can we tell? You think so?
Purple!
You think it's gonna be purple?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be clear, because Sprite is clear. I don't know.
Mommy, is that Sprite?
It's called Stinks, but it looks like a Sprite can.
A Sprite can?
Shake it really good.
Shake super fast. Shake it super fast. No, you have to shake it up and down, up and down.
All right, Ellie, let's put it aside so it can get hardened.
Can I do it?
Okay. Now, do you think we should check out Gabe's and see how his is doing?
Yeah.
All right, get yours, Gabe.
Oh, look, Mommy. I think it's turning into...
Do you think it's slime yet? Shake it. Does it feel like slime?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
It
Should we
doesn't
open it?
move anymore. Yes.
Whoa. Oh, that looks slimy.
Slime. That is awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so sticky.
Yeah. This is awesome. Make one dance.
Oh, ew. Oh my gosh.
Orange slime.
Orange slime. Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Yuck.
Should we put your unicorn magic in?
Oh, squishy, yuck. Oh. One. This Poopsie.
Ooey gooey slime. Well, I guess we could put our unicorn magic.
Let's see. Let's see what happens.
We should have put that in before.
Ooh.
That's so cool and gross.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I think Mommy will just use the spoon it came with. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got it on me. Ugh.
Why do it? Let's see what happens.
We should have put that in before.
Ooh, look.
That's so cool and gross. Oh, gross. Ugh.
Yucko! This is like Uika gluey slime.
Yuck.
This is like Uika gluey slime.
Yeah?
Like Uika. Like Uika.
You're stuck with it, Ellie.
I can't get the slime out of me all by myself.
No, you're just gonna have to become the slime boy.
The slime boy.
Do you want to put your gold leaf in it?
Oh yeah.
All right, hold on. Let's take it out.
Mommy.
God, Gabe, crush it all together. Oh,
Look, Mommy.
you! Oh my gosh! Hey, I think we found the gold slime.
The gold slime?
Yeah, it says find the gold slime, and I think we found it because your slime is pretty gold, if I have to say so myself.
Just mix it all together.
Show me. Let me see. Oh wow, that is some pretty slime. Ooh, that's yucky, Ellie.
Look, Mommy. Oh, this is fun, illy gooey slime.
All right, Ellie, open up yours.
Okay.
Oh, did it come out in one solid piece?
I think so.
Yeah, look, Ellie, look at your slime.
Look at your slime.
Put some unicorn magic on it.
Slimy.
All right, mix it together. All right, ready? Here, let's put more unicorn magic on it.
Oh yeah.
We should definitely put this on.
This is fun slime.
Here, let's put some more.
Mommy.
Yeah, we should definitely put this in next time when we shake it.
I mean, look at mine. It's pretty getting a denso.
What?
A denso.
Yeah. It's all over my finger. This looks really cool.
Uh-huh.
I like this kind of slime, I think.
Yeah.
Ellie, let's get the gold off your fingers.
Mommy, look.
Whoa.
Mommy, slime can at you.
Ah! Ah! Look what it's doing to Mommy's nails. Look at Mommy's fingers.
What am my big?
Let me see your fingers, Ellie. Oh my gosh, they're covered in gold. Look, Gabe, we finally found the gold you wanted.
Mommy. What? Mommy. Doo-doo, come at you.
No, slime monsters. Oops. Should Mommy make her own slime?
Yes.
I think we have one more.
One more? Well, that is too loud.
That was kind of loud. Huh?
A cupcake.
It's a cupcake.
Yeah, eat it.
Oh,
Cupcake.
it's a little slimy.
Cupcake slime?
I mean-
I've never heard of those eaters. That is kind of yuck.
All right, let's open up this one.
Yes. And Remy. Can I help you?
You want to help me?
And Remy.
All right, let's open it up.
Uh-huh.
Unicorn food, our unicorn magic that just flew off the table. Our scents and our magic spoon. Oh! Whoa! Stinky turds of paradise.
Remy.
Okay.
What?
What? All right, open up that. That's our character. Ellie, let's find out who our character is.
Mommy, can I do it?
Yep.
I think it's a mermaid.
You think it's a mermaid?
Oh, yeah.
No way.
No, it's not.
Aw, what is it?
Look at Remy.
Oh, it's a little whale.
Oh, what a cute little unicorn whale.
Maybe it's a narwhal. We'll have to look.
A narwhal?
Yeah, narwhals are whales that have a horn.
Horn?
Yeah. So they're like a unicorn whale. All right, let's see if we can find him on here. His name is Gnarly. He is a narwhal.
Gnarly?
Yeah, right there.
Oh,
What is his scent supposed to be? I don't know. But he's from under the Pacific, just like our Finding Doo-Doo. All right, Gabe, you want to hold that?
Uh-huh.
We're going to mix the stuff together. I think it's glitter.
Glitter?
Yeah, here, I'll hold this. You go ahead and dump that in.
Can I do it?
Yep. Oh, ooh, look at that. Now we need to put in our unicorn food.
Unicorn food? Can I do it?
Yep.
I want a lot.
Give it a good shake. All right, Gabe, let's put it aside and see what happens after. Open it up.
It is ready.
Oh, that looks really sticky.
Ooey, gooey.
Oh my God. Oh, why am I touching it? Oh, it's blue.
Blue? Look our egg.
Yes, we did have a blue egg.
Oh, super sticky. Yay. Super sticky.
Okay, you ready for the unicorn bling?
Yeah. I can't get the slime off of me.
Yep, that one's gonna be super sticky.
I can't get off of me. Woo! Get off. Oops, now I'm touching it again. Ah! Ah!
Oh. Quick, get it in the slime, Ellie. Or Gabe.
And you call me the wrong
I did.
name. Do you want to see it?
Yes, let's see it. Ooh, that looks so cool.
Yeah.
I like all the
super-
stars.
Ah! The slime is off of me.
Oh my God.
I snorted. Let's try it again, Mom. I like my picture. Spider-Man! I'm a Spider-Man!
Look what happened to my hand, guys.
Yeah. Whoa! That is awesome! That is awesome! That is awesome!
Oh my gosh. No wonder why they're called Poopsie. Surprise. Which slime do you think came out the best?
Maybe Elvina's!
You think that one? I think so too. In terms of texture and stickiness. Look at that. Look at Mommy slime. I really like it.
The slime just farted. Wait, Mom.
What are you guys playing? Musical chairs without the music?
What?
What?
I got the dresser. What?
You good, Gabe? You trying to feel what you think is inside? Let's open up Gabe's first.
Let's see what that's our got. It must be the Garno. It must be the Carnotaurus.
I don't know. I think it's better than the Carnotaurus.
It's blue.
It's blue?
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow. You don't have blue yet.
It's tight over here. Let's see. Oh, wait, there is that though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. He flew
Bang
to the floor. Wow. That's cool. Do we have that one yet?
Thanks for watching. Bye.